Hi there. Dashboard is a place which provides access to all the features of a software. So, in this video, let's discuss where to find what on dashboard. This is the dashboard of our software. In the left panel, we have vehicle information area on the top, and at the bottom we have notifications area. On the right, map gets loaded. So let's start with the vehicle information area first. This tab represents all the vehicles. Currently, all the vehicles are getting displayed in the list. All the vehicles means moving vehicles plus idle vehicles plus not reachable vehicles. There are total of 17 vehicles on the list. The green tab represents all the moving vehicles. Currently, we are having 4 out of 17 vehicles which are in the moving state. The yellow tab represents all the idle vehicles. Similarly, the red tab represents all the not reachable vehicles. Let's see what information is getting displayed for any vehicle. First is the name of the vehicle. Then we have last date and time when the data was received by the server from the device installed on the particular vehicle. Then the exact location of the vehicle is displayed. So, this means on 30th April 6:18 p.m. the vehicle named truck was at the location Narnaul, Alwar Road, Rajasthan, India. Want to check this location on the map? You just have to hover the mouse here and the corresponding vehicle marker, which is represented here by the balloon, will start moving up and down. See, when I took the mouse over the vehicle truck, this balloon started moving up and down, representing the exact location of the particular vehicle. I can show you again. Now take a look at the balloon. It is moving up and down. A tooltip is being displayed saying click here for live tracking. Let's look at the live tracking of the vehicle named fuel vehicle. To start the live tracking, you just need to click on the vehicle name. On the map, live tracking is being done for the vehicle named fuel vehicle. So, in live tracking, as the truck would keep moving on the real road, the path would be jotted down on the map also. So, you can know where and when the vehicle is moving. Next we have is the notifications area. The notifications for the services configured here through the mobile notifications window are displayed in this area. For example, I want to receive an alert for my vehicle named truck whenever it stops beyond a certain time period. All these kind of notifications can be configured through this window. We do have separate video explaining how to configure mobile notifications. Please refer to that video for details. If there are no notifications as of now, then no pending notifications message would be displayed. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now, in the menu bar, we have various tabs. After dashboard, we have reports. Reports provide the comprehensive picture of the selected vehicles and are categorized under 4 categories. For example, if you want to check out when and where a particular vehicle went beyond the specified speed limit, then you can check it out through the overspeed report. Next is the route playback feature. For tracking the vehicle and driver activities, we have route playback feature. Next tab is alerts. We can configure email alerts as well as pop-up and mobile alerts, which will notify us when something goes beyond expected. The last tab is site details. Site is a user-defined area. We can create, add and delete sites through this window. Also, we can search for a particular location on the map. You can log out by clicking on this button. We do have specific videos for each of the reports, route playback, alerts and site details. Please refer to the specific videos for more information. Thank you. An alert is generated when something goes beyond expected. Let's see how to receive email alerts. On the dashboard, move to the Alerts tab and click on Email Alerts. Email alerts window opens up. Select the vehicle from the drop-down list whose deviation from the expectations would generate alerts. Let's see, I choose locality vehicle. Type in the email address of the recipient, the one who would receive the alert mails. For example, I'll say testing@gmail.com. Now click on view. Under services column, all the services for which alerts can be configured are listed. You can toggle from this button to see the full window. Let's say I want to configure the services not reachable, location entry, stoppage and overspeed. Now click on save. Alerts saved successfully message is displayed. You must have noticed that the color of the rows representing the active services has also changed from white to grey. If you want to disable any of the configured services, just uncheck the checkbox and click on save. Alerts saved successfully is displayed and consequently color of the row representing the service not reachable changed from grey to white. If you want to delete all the services at one go, just click on delete. A pop-up asking, "Are you sure you want to delete the services?" is being displayed. Click OK to delete all the services. Alerts deleted successfully is displayed and all the alerts have been disabled. Now let's do it for some other vehicle as well. For example, I want to configure services for truck. You can use the same email ID in case the alerts for truck have to be sent to the same person, or you can even change it. Let's say I make it testing123@gmail.com. Let's configure some of the services for the vehicle named truck. Now click on save. Alert saved successfully is displayed. Now this means whenever the vehicle named truck would be not reachable, or whenever it enters or exits the boundary of any city, town or village, or whenever vehicle halts for more than the specified time, the time you have specified in the stoppage window, then alert mail would be generated and would be sent to the address testing123@gmail.com. For any further queries, please contact our IT support team. Thank you. Hello. Get acquainted with the information like the distance travelled by a particular vehicle today, yesterday or in this month, etc. For this, we have a feature known as Kilometer Summary Report. In this tutorial, we shall discuss about this feature. On Dashboard, move to the Reports tab and click on Kilometer Summary Report. Kilometer Summary Report is generated. Under first column, you can find name of all the vehicles. A particular vehicle is driven by which driver can be found under the second column. Mobile number of the driver is displayed under the next column, and the present odometer reading of the vehicle is displayed under the odometer column. Today, how much distance was travelled by the vehicle is displayed under this column. This is in kilometers. The distance travelled by the vehicle a day before is displayed under this column, which is again in kilometers. The last column tells you about the kilometers travelled by the vehicle in the current month. So, this report will help you to assess the performance of all the drivers. Thank you. Hello. In this tutorial, I'll help you to understand mobile notifications. For that, move to the Alerts tab and click on Mobile Notifications. Mobile Notifications window opens up. You will be able to receive notifications on mobile as well as in the notifications area of the portal for all the services that you configure through this window. If there would be no notifications, then no pending notifications message is displayed here. Now, you may configure services for all the vehicles or an individual vehicle. Process to be followed is similar in both the cases. Let's see how to do it. Move to the vehicle drop-down list and select any of the individual vehicles, or to configure for all vehicles, click on all vehicles. Let's do it for all vehicles. So I want to configure the services for all the vehicles that are listed here. Now click on View. Available Services window lists up all the services which can be configured. So let's configure first 5 services, that is not reachable, location entry, location exit, stoppage and overspeed. This means I want to configure all these 5 services for all the vehicles. Now click on Save. Alerts saved successfully is the message that is displayed. So now our alerts have been saved. In case I want to delete any one of the alerts, I can click that checkbox again, which will deselect the service. For example, I have deselected not reachable and I would deselect stoppage as well. Now if I again click on Save, alerts saved successfully message is displayed and the changes are saved. In case you have selected many of the services and you want to delete all the services in one go, then click on the delete option. Alerts deleted successfully is displayed and all the alerts are disabled. Similarly, if you want to configure the services, pop-up services for any individual vehicle, click here on the drop down and select the particular vehicle. For example, I select Brio and then I'll repeat the same process as I have already described. Wasn't it easy? Try it, and if you find any difficulty, then you can call our IT support team. Thank you.